Kidney 3 is located on the inside of your ankle. To find kidney 3, locate the tip of your ankle bone, then go backwards till you come off the bone. You'll be in a little valley between the ankle bone and the Achilles tendon. Push in to find a spot that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is kidney 3. Activate kidney 3 by rubbing this area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. Now find and activate kidney 3 on your other leg and repeat.